All right, let's take a look. So let's do some quick analysis here for the day. It's what all going on 9, so the 9 o'clock hour open. Okay. Nasdaq looks like it wants to keep pushing. This was a nice recovery here. But like I was saying yesterday, it's the pullbacks, man. Those pullbacks aren't always perfect, but I believe it was a field right there. Probably like a cluster of the 50%. So that was really nice. That 50% retracement. See what gold is doing. Gold, nice sell-off happened. Crazy sell-off actually. I was kind of waiting on it. I thought it was going to happen here, but it didn't. Kind of pushed up. Looked like it was going to hit that weekly or 4100, which is crazy, and it just didn't even tap it. Right? It just literally reversed.
Fed daily, inflation has come in much less than had feared.
Something like that. Probably a push back down.
Inflation has come in much less than Japan's September domestic CGPI up 0.3 PCT monthly, BOJ. Daily, labor market to point where softening looks worrisome if don't.
So if we could have another push down on gold,
daily,
right?
Policy still somewhat tight after
I
September
would
rate
keep
reduction.
going up for the Nasdaq. Right, up for Nasdaq. Let's see. Oh.
Daily,
rid of my
Fed
energy.
projecting additional cuts in risk management.
ENQ. We had ES. And the Dow. I'm just deleting away. Okay, so let's get this back set up here. I wonder if I could select multiple and and move them all at the same time. All right. Yeah, gold looks like more pushes to the downside, right? Especially for the month. Let's look at the weekly. Yeah. So this is gonna be, it could be time for a retracement here, right? Some kind of pullback. We didn't quite get to 4,100. We could break back up. I mean, I really wanted to tap that. That was an ugly sell-off. Really ugly sell-off there. Once it broke back below this pivot, I mean, that was a good short. All right, broke that pivot, start breaking at 50. So really, I'm gonna be looking probably for shorts here. Unless we start getting back over 4,000. See that? I mean, that's pretty big to get over 4,000 and then it just crash back. All right. That was a nice sell-off. Get back here to the Nasdaq. Yeah, Nasdaq is on the way. See what kind of news is coming out for tomorrow as well. Let's check that actually now. Yeah, there's some crazy stuff. That's the funniest stuff. So pretty light day. Government shutdown. I mean, it's just. Meanwhile, everything is going higher. So tomorrow. University of Michigan coming out with the consumer sentiment. Okay. That's going to add some volatility. It's nothing super major. But 9 o'clock is going to be plays. 9:05. I try to see something. 9:10. something is gonna sit up. That's for sure. Let's see here. And the news really, if you could get like, what starts to really impact is like the news that isn't on the schedule, right? Like just breaking news. Yeah, breaking news. I mean, that's when you get those random jolts. Now, another thing is the session times, right? When those different sessions open up, burst of volume comes in. I found a cold, very great clock actually. Shows you all the session times. Let's see. This is key. Yeah, this one. This clock right here. It gives you all the global session times. Right, and you'll start seeing that they line up with, like, I used to think they was random, like it'll be like random times, like you can see this is staggered here. It'll be just random burst of liquidity basically, and I start putting it together. I'm like, okay, it's something around these different times. Of course, I knew you like the you got the U.S. session, London session, Asian session. All right, but it's broken up kinda, which is real crazy. Let's see what else we got here. That Nasdaq is making a move. Nasdaq, man. So I was waiting for this breakout yesterday, and it happened right at the open. This is nice. So 25.4 may not be now right away, but definitely look for some. I'm definitely gonna be playing longs. That's gonna be a nice play. One big thing too, I start seeing too, is like trying to time the market. Right, it's so frustrating. I mean, man, it'll piss me off so much. This will be a good move up here. That's a good scalp. Good 10-pointer. You start getting some bounces. No real buyers are stepping in yet. We'll get back over 350. That's what I'm looking at. Let's look at gold here. Gold. Oh yeah. Okay.
Daily, overly pessimistic on Amazon could be incorrect. Overly optimistic could lead to letdown.
All right, so we're in a new hour anyway. 9 o'clock.
Daily sees potential for transformation, but urges caution in drawing conclusions.
38. I want to really stay over 40. Here we go. Looking at 55, 30, 55. We got to take that out. $355. Okay. Everything just showing resistance like they want to see, but this one they're gonna pop up here to test it. Let's see. All right, 13 coming in. There it is. Let's see. $15. Took them out.
Daily, slowing economy speeding adoption of AI.
And that's how fast I've been noticing. That's how fast you gotta take a loss, really. At least for me. For me, I need to be faster at taking losses. Because the wins literally will take care of themselves. Right? When you're in a good trade, I mean, they literally will take care of themselves. Right? So that's all I'm literally trying to improve on, is getting better at taking those L's, right? Just take it out and boom. That was what? Not even 3-4 ticks. 3-4 ticks, right? Then when it goes good, I mean, you may get 50 ticks, right? Or something crazy. I mean, it's been, that would have been 40 ticks, really. And still, here we go. Let's see what 55. Alright. Next setup for this would be on the break here, this trend line. As this breaks here. That's the next move I'm looking for. As long as we don't collapse back down into here. Which we could, I mean it's Asian. Right, that could be setting up for a nice London push. That sell-off on gold though was crazy. Let me see how that's looking for the month. Okay. I mean, even for it to be at 4,000 is crazy. I remember trading gold at 2,000. That's stupid. Yeah, gold is still ripping. Trading new highs is also something crazy. Because as it makes new highs, it doesn't just run like you would think. That's something else that pisses me off. I'll be sitting there like, why the hell? Why won't it just run? Especially for day trading, right? You'll have 1 day rips. Look at this. Once it starts breaking these new highs, it literally just keeps coming back in. Oh man, as that came back, that went back in. And look at this. I mean, just horrible. So now we're gonna see if we're gonna make another rip up. Another rip up. And if you were able to swing trades, if they had a prop firm where you could swing trade or do like longer trades, that'll be. I mean, of course the margins go crazy. That's why they don't do that. But that'd be crazy, man. That'll be hella crazy. You get in way down here and ride this. Roll over and keep going. Yeah, I'm gonna just really be waiting on this breakout. I mean, I really wouldn't be looking for shorts here at all. Not at all. It'll have to break. Shit, it'll have to break a while for me to look for shorts. Probably back down here. Especially if you look on the higher, even higher pivots. Let me see. Yeah, we could be pushing up to 25.5. That'll be a nice ass number. 25.5. That's the next pivot, man. We've literally broken past this pivot here for the week. These are weekly pivots. Broken here, retested it. I mean, this This is actually ready to go. It's just waiting on some kind of catalyst. Some kind of catalyst is all it's gonna take. Yeah. Yeah, this blast off area right here. This is gonna be definitely some blast off area action going. You get up to these 25 fives. Let me look at another.
Japan Finman Kato does not comment on forex levels. Japan Finance Minister Kato, recently observing unilateral, swift changes.
Definitely has another 100-point.
Japan Finman Kato, weak yen benefits, disadvantages. Japan
400
Finman
to
Kato
500.
emphasizes
That's
stability in
real
currency
play.
movements reflecting fundamentals. Japan Finman Kato to monitor forex market for excessive fluctuations.
Now for the downside, you want to make sure to. That's something else you want to do. You want to make sure you have that downside figured out. All right, here we go.
Japan Finman Kato to consider political schedule for next week's G20, G7 finance leaders, IMF, World Bank meetings. Japan Finman Kato would like to meet with various finance officials if they decide to attend when asked about possible meeting with US Treasury Besant. Japan Finman Kato, yen weakness driven by various factors, declined to comment on specifics.
Let's see if Nasdaq wants to break 350. 350s. Gold breaking up. That's a nice break. That 4,000 is going to be major though.
Daily, stablecoin rapid growth but isn't affecting how we conduct monetary policy today. Japan Finman Kato
this whole
will monitor
area.
financial, economic developments closely regarding forex impacts.
Here we go. Let's see. See if the buyers come back. Want to see them come back strong. Let's see. Nope, not happening. Not yet. $45 is pivotal. 45s need to hold. So they're trying to hold it here. 12s. See if they'll come in more. People testing it. They're hitting it. Let's see. They hit it. And look at gold. You see that? It wasn't a lot there at 4,000. So that was like, okay. See there? Coming in, they just smashed it back below it. There it is. We going to 404. This thing comes on. There we go. The orders up here at 20 at 140. All right, nice push there. Good feel. Need to get over 350. Alright, needs to hold really right here. 46. Don't want to get to 45s. There we go. $350. At 350s, 350s, it's a pivotal level. Very, very, very important. Let's see. And then at 4,000 on gold, that's very key. But it's nothing really, it's no major volume up in here. Right? Not as much as I thought it would be. Here we go. That 350, that 350 is real. We can get the bids above over 350. That's gonna be nice. Damn. All right. Ooh. Alright, trailing the last one. That was what, 3 points. Oh, nice. And now you're in a free trade. Take small losses. That's all I'm trying to get better at. Taking smaller losses. Trailing the profits, take more break evens and trail, man. Just trailing. And the winners will take care of themselves. If we could blast through here. $53s. Look at that, 16 at 53. They sitting right there at it. $350s. So I want to see it hold over 350. So I'm gonna go here. Yeah. So 25, 349. God, that's awesome. I mean, that's why I say the winners will take care of themselves. I need to just get better at taking smaller losses, and the winners will literally take care of themselves.
Daily, best practice to maintain Federal Reserve independence is to perform our work well.
That was amazing. That was really good there. That was a great one. Gold's still having trouble here, 4,000. Yes, that was perfect. See, and then I mean, knowing that a lot of times this happens, that's why I was saying the other day, like, it trains you to take profits, right? So I mean, it's always, to me, that's why I started saying definitely have more than one contract on, right? And that way you could scale out and then trail the last portion. That's been a game changer too for me, because it just leaves you, you know, kind of feeds both of them. Like, you still got your money, and you get to kind of see, okay, if this thing really goes, you're still in a piece. Okay, gold. Okay, Nasdaq looks like it want to reload. It looks like it wants to reload. I don't know. Let's see. I went right to it. So I went right to it. There we go. There we go. Ooh, there we go, baby. $55s, it needs to take 55 out. 55s. See there? They came back. They came in heavy. They took 12s up here. They hit 55 and then they just sold them. Okay. Wasn't no supporting of buying here. That's what that tell you. Wasn't nothing really until 51. Yeah, this looks like it wants to get to that 4,004. Let's see in there. Somebody sold 199 contracts of gold. $199. Really, they sold more than that. Really, they just start hitting it. So let's see. That's crazy. That was just see what's the reaction here. They're trying to hold it below 4,000. Got a nice cluster. Look at that. There we go. 96. It's a major level. Major high level of interest here. It's right before that break of 4,000.
Daily, even if Al isn't as transformative as some bet, we'll still have productivity enhancement. All right. See that Nasdaq tanking here, lifting back up on this goal as well over 4,000. They're trying to hold it over this key level here. It's a nice tank on Nasdaq. That was a nice move back. That's a good range play. Yeah, it came with that sell off. And that they had a big sell off on the Nasdaq as well. I didn't see that. Let's see.
Going on, what candle is that? 938.30. Look at that. 938. So that was doing this minute, okay. Spiked up and then, ooh, that was super nice. Down to 334, 340s. Oh man, that was good. This is a move here. We'll get back way down to 37s, 39s. Man, when I say the winners will literally take care of themselves, man. They will literally take care of themselves. And what time is it here? 9:40. So they came in around 9:38 and just started tanking this bad boy. That was a nice run, right? That's a nice 15 points. I mean, that's some that's some nice money. Even with one contract, that's the crazy thing. Like one contract, just having those different perspectives, that's what really starts to change things, right? Just shifting the perspective, right? One contract, one account, right? And then down to one trade, right? Just slow down, take it one trade at a time. If I can keep those in mind, I promise you. This was a nice move. Now we're gonna see if any sellers start to pop back up. If they start dumping, buying, they're trying to retrace. Not seeing anything. Gold having a nice sell off, man. That whoever came in and sold that one, I think what was it, 199 contracts. That really started everything, right? It kind of started even the Nasdaq run right around that same time. See 25s, 37s up in that area. Here we go. Let's see. Break that 40. Not much at 40, man. If gold is just going. Gold here gave you 40 damn 40 ticks. Okay, we'll get offers. Okay, offers below 40. Let's get it. Oh man, that was nice. Come on. 35s. Godly. if they come back, getting the little buyers. See, now you can start seeing the actual levels, right? You start seeing where they want to support it at, right? Why can't this go over? What's going on? There we go. Gold's a nice push now. At 4,000, somebody came in with that 199 and just literally, I mean, that was the move there, honestly. We take this out. This Nasdaq is nice. That was a nice retracement. Boy, gold, man. So, what would this mean here? So I would think they are just getting out of everything. So back to foreigns. Everybody's getting out of the yeah, this is gonna be a major level. Let's see. So, at least 30. This is a nice move here. So 35s, that's the next target. That's the next one. Gold is on the way down here. I mean, gold is just showing all the way. They just dumping gold. All right. That's 100 points, man. 100 ticks on gold. That was crazy. All at that 4,000. What if it was a field or something too? Let's see, probably. Not quite from there. Let's see. Dang, didn't even really get to a field. Just that 4,000. Gold is just going, man. They are just. See, we'll get up here to this 40.75 here. 40.50. Trying to come in there. Okay, Nasdaq, here we go. Let's see. Gold is crazy, man. Crazy, crazy. There we go. Here we go. 32s. We'll see 32s. Come on, man. Oh, man. Come on. Come on. Jeez. That was nice. That was really nice. And then just... oh, man. That was really nice. That was a good 10 o'clock push. That was a great 10 o'clock push. That move literally started at 10 o'clock, just about 10:01. Dang, 309s. We could probably, I mean, the pivot point is way down here. I mean, whew. Alright, trying to pull it back. Right here, 21s. 21s. That was nice. That was really, really nice there. Let's see what we're looking like here. Man, that was nice. So it went right to the VWAP. I mean, literally right to it. Okay. We start breaking back below this. We break below this VWAP. I'm not saying, but I'm saying shit. That's gonna look real nice. Oh man. Okay, it's big. Okay. Okay, we're getting real close. And it's not much here. Alright, it's nothing. It just has to be buyers that would want to come in here and just start buying it up. We get to 34s. Alright. This smoke start breaking here. We damn sure gonna see 20. Like it wants to get there. Or buyers will just have to come in here. Which they're not. They are not rushing. Uh-oh. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Let's see. So 19 there. They're trying to tag it. And somebody's gonna take it. There it is. Whew. Let's see. What was that? Was this a... Oh. Look at that. That was right at the pivot. I don't know how I didn't notice that. Right on gold. That literally was right at the pivot. That was really nice. Really, really nice. $670. We'll go. All right. Man, that was a freaking super trade, bro. Up to here was like, damn, it's like 30s. Oh, they hit 195 contracts down here. Ooh, come on. They trapping them. They're trying to hold them. Let's see what happens here. That's major, right? That could have been whoever the limit, right? From that 199. Look at that, there it is. Somebody sold it, they keeping it going. Keeping it going. Gold. Man, that was a super move. Alright. I'm trying to trap them. Right here at 85s. Alright. Look at that. This should be good right here. 86 fives. Yeah, that was real good. Had to be quick. That was a good VWAP play. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we will